Take two. Take two. Good morning, asawa ko. I love you so much. This song is dedicated for you. Happy birthday. Game. 1, 2, 3, go. Kabahan ako. First time ko to. Hi. Girl, it's so I thought I should get inside and get some name and your number. So it's so much and please some cucumbers. Why? Did I say that? I don't know why. I just smile and something I like on my face. Yeah, it's you. Girl, we can make if we had to too. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one so we equal too? And this is so big and I can chance that you're rather add and subtract. You and I could be like sunny day, honey bears, oh. And you and I could be like Aladdin and Jackie. Let's make it happen. La 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 la. Hey, have you been another? It's been a while. I'm just been on the mind, running thousands of miles. Sorry, I know that the line's outside, but you look so beautiful inside night. Loving the way that moment catches your eyes, your smile. I'm captivated, your beauty's timeless, never updated. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one so we equal too? And if it's so big and I like the chance that you would have like to try. You and I could feel like sunny day, honey man. You and I could feel like a lion just let's make it happen. Love so much. Kita. Ingat ka lagi sila na. Love you. It's been 5 years, that special day when I asked you on first day. I cannot stay to say you and I could better than sunny share, honey bird. You and I are better than a lion that we made happy. La 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 Love you so much. Let me say, you look so beautiful in our day. Nalaman kita, sana mo gusto mo to. This is the first time na kumanta ako. Kasi hindi naman talaga ako singer. Not yet a dancer. Kaya sumasayaw ako. Nalaman kita. Ingat ka lagi dyan ha. Miss na kita. Love you. Ikaw lang talaga ang mahal ko. Hindi nagkapay kanina. Promise. Happy birthday, asawa ko, Chanel. siya, basta lahat ng CS natin. Nagsimula sa Kisha at Mara, ayun, asawa ko na. Diba? Love so much. Basta, hindi kita iiwan. Never. Di ka man makauwi this year or this next year, subukan ko makapunta dyan para lang sa'yo. Love so much. Ingat ka lagi dyan. Happy birthday, sana enjoy ka. So bali, nakaisa na ako. May 27 pa akong gagawin ganito. Ang pangit, diba? Pero sana magustuhan mo. Todo effort. Time check 8:44. Sorry kagising ko lang kasi. Love you. Bye bye. Gugutom na ako. Kain tayo. Love you so much. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. I love you so much. And 1, 2, 3, stop.